Edible landscapes, nature's bounty in your backyard. Hello and welcome. Today, we're exploring a fascinating concept in gardening and environmental design: edible landscapes. Imagine stepping outside your door into a garden not just full of beautiful flowers and shrubs, but one where almost every plant is edible. Intriguing, isn't it? Let's dive into what makes an edible landscape and how you can create one. Edible landscapes are innovative spaces where plants are grown not only for their aesthetic appeal but also for their nutritional value. Unlike traditional gardens, every plant in an edible landscape has a purpose in your kitchen. From herbs used for seasoning to fruit trees that provide a summer's worth of snacks, these landscapes merge beauty with utility. Edible landscapes offer a plethora of benefits. They are a sustainable choice, reducing your carbon footprint by minimizing the distance food travels from farm to table. They encourage biodiversity, attracting pollinators like bees and butterflies. Plus, they can be a fantastic educational tool, teaching young ones about nature and the source of their food. Designing an edible landscape requires thought and creativity. It's not just about planting fruits and vegetables. It's about creating a harmonious blend of plants that are both beautiful and edible. You need to consider the climate, soil type, and the amount of sunlight your garden receives. Edible flowers, like nasturtiums, can add a pop of color, while herbs like rosemary can provide wonderful fragrances and flavors. There are many plants you can choose for your edible landscape. Fruit trees like apple or pear are excellent for structure and shade. Berry bushes can provide delicious treats and attractive foliage. Vegetables like kale and Swiss chard can add interesting textures and colors. Remember, the best choices are those that are native to your area and suit your local climate and soil. Maintaining an edible landscape is crucial for its success. Regular watering, weeding, and pruning are important. It's also vital to use organic methods for pest control to ensure that your harvest is not only beautiful but also safe to eat. Edible landscapes are a delightful fusion of form and function, bringing together the beauty of nature with the practicality of food production. By designing and maintaining your own edible landscape, you can enjoy the dual benefits of a stunning garden and fresh, homegrown produce. We hope this video inspires you to start your own edible landscape project. Happy gardening!